Actor Rajinikanth, who was honored with the Dada Sahab Phalke Award this past week, has returned home from Kaveri Hospital where he underwent a surgical procedure. After undergoing a carotid artery revascularization on October 28, the actor was back home late on Sunday night after being discharged from the hospital in time for the Deepavali release of his next film, Annathe. The immensely popular actor, whose health condition has been fragile in recent months, was admitted to Kaveri Hospital on October 28 after he complained of giddiness. His admission to the hospital triggered concern among fans and members of the film fraternity. A bulletin released by the hospital allayed their fears. Mr. Rajinikanth was admitted to Kaveri Hospital, Chennai, following an episode of giddiness. He was thoroughly evaluated by an expert panel of doctors and advised to undergo carotid artery revascularization. The procedure was performed successfully and he is recovering well. Rajinikanth will now be able to savor the release of Annathe, directed by Siva and produced by Kalanidhi Maran of Sun Pictures, on November 4. And as well as all his new releases, it promises to be a big fan event. Recently, Rajinikanth had tweeted that he had watched his yet-to-be-released movie Annathe with his grandson. Rajinikanth's last film was Darbar, directed by A.R. Murkudas, but it was not a big hit. Kollywood, which is what fans call the Tamil tinsel world, is expecting Annathe to be super hit, which is to be expected from the megastar. The shooting of the movie was affected because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It was happening at Hyderabad's Film City in December 2020 when some of the crew members tested positive for COVID-19. Nayanthara, popularly known as the lady superstar of South India, is acting in the movie. It is the second time since Darbar that she has been paired opposite Rajinikanth. Other members of the cast are Prakash Raj, Meena, Kirti Suresh, Suri and Khushbu Sundar. The film for the movie has been scored by D. Iman. Rajinikanth, who made his movie debut in K. Balachander's Apurva Ragangal in 1975, has acted in more than 160 films apart from appearing in Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada and Bengali movies. His major break came in Balachander's Mundru Muchitu. There has been no looking back for Rajinikanth after this hit movie, and he is considered as one of India's cinema's leading stars. The superstar had also tried his hand at politics, but better sense prevailed, and ahead of the 2021 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, he disbanded his political party on December 31, 2020.